In this video, I'm going to show you how we can add a YouTube video link to our Instagram story so that people can click on it and then view our YouTube video. First, we need to head over to the YouTube app, and first we need to copy the link of the YouTube video that we want to show in our Instagram story. For example, I'm going to take this one. So we need to click on those three dots right here. And then we click on share. Click on copy link right here. And now we switch over to our Instagram account and we need to post a story first. So we click on this plus icon right here. And after we have done this, I'm just gonna take a story right now. Now we need to click on this sticker option right here. And now we click on link. And now we're gonna paste our YouTube link right here. We need to tap on it once, click paste. So now the link is in here. And as you can see, the link is called youtube.ba, so YouTube. We can change this by, we need to do it again. So click on link again, type in the link, and now we can choose a name. For example, my video, done. And now we have named the link, and then people can click on this and watch your YouTube video. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing.